everyone, here we are again. I'm making a Spanish recipe or Cuban recipe. It's called Malanga. I've made a different recipe before with Malanga. Today we're going to make Malanga fritters, which are called in Spanish frituras de Malanga. Malanga fritters. These are the Malangas. I got 3 of them. They're already peeled. I'll put a picture right here. I'll put a picture here so you can see what they look like unpeeled. So what we're gonna need is you got approximately 3 malangas, 4 garlic cloves, 1 egg, a bunch of parsley. I already have half of the bunch here and I'm breaking it up. I'm breaking it up like this, just like the leaves. You don't have to do that, but I don't want to get like the stem in there. I'm going to chop them anyway, but I'd rather get most of the leaves instead of the stem. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and break up the parsley and chop it up. Okay, so I chopped the parsley as small as possible. And it's quite a bit of parsley. I might not use it all, but just for the time being, this is the parsley chopped. Alright, so now the garlic, I'm gonna go ahead and mash it, smash it, take out the peel, and cut it up really small. Okay, so here's the garlic chopped. The ideal thing to do this is, if you have a mortar, is to put the 4 garlic cloves inside the mortar with a little bit of salt and mash them like that in order to make a paste. But I'm here at my mom's house today cooking and I don't have a mortar here, so I just try to cut it as small as I could, little tiny pieces, and that's what I have to do. Okay, so we got the garlic out of the way, and now we're gonna get the malanga. Okay, I got one of these graters, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grate the malanga. If you have a food processor, one of those big heavy duty food processor, you can go ahead and put the malangas through there. But like I said before, I'm here at my mom's, so this is what I'm gonna have to use. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and just grate these 3 malangas. I have one of those big graters, that one that are like standing up. It'll be much easier. You can do it like that too, if you don't have a food processor either. But I mean, this is going pretty fast, so it's fine. Okay, so here we are. This is the malanga, all grated. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is what it should look like. Okay, it's like a paste. So now, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put it in this, because I'm gonna need this big bowl to mix everything. And I'm gonna get the egg, 1 egg. And beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Oh, beat it. Okay. The egg beat. Okay. I beat the egg. And now I'm going to put the egg last. I'm going to put the parsley. I'm not going to put the entire amount of parsley. Maybe like I would say a quarter cup maybe. Yeah. And let's mix it up and then we'll see if we... Okay. The 4 cloves of garlic. Like I said, if you have a mortar, it's better to put it in the mortar and with a little bit of salt, just make it like a paste. But in this case, we're going to do it like this. Okay, and some salt. I'm going to add maybe a teaspoon of salt or less. Don't overdo it with the salt, I would say. Oh, and the pepper. Hold on. I'm going to put a tiny bit of pepper. They don't like pepper here, but I'm just going to add a tiny bit there. Black pepper. And now we're going to add the egg. Let me just combine it a little bit so the parsley gets incorporated with the malanga before I put the eggs. The egg, 1 egg. Okay, here goes the egg. The egg, what makes it, it's what makes it stick together to make the fritters. Okay. Now we're gonna mix everything together. Combine it well so they don't fall apart when you fry them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fry them with oil, vegetable oil or any kind of oil you have. Really, really hot, like over 300 degrees. Okay, that's going to be it. Okay, so I'm using vegetable oil. And the thing is, the trick here is to actually... Okay, I was going to make it in this pan, but I'm not. Because the trick here is, I'm going to make it in a little calderito. Okay, so this is, it's like a deeper pan, deeper pot, I should say. We have to cover the fritters. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the oil to get like really, really hot. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it and see. So I got a spoon, a big spoon, and let's drop the batter in there. Yeah, it could be a little bit hotter maybe. Okay. Second one. And it's as simple as that.
Hola.
Hola, Ron.
Bueno.
Bien, ¿tú cómo estás?
Hi.
It's the first time I make these. I saw a video on them and it was in Spanish, and I thought I would make it for you and translate it into English. See how it would come out. And of course, try the fritters. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn them. They get like a golden color, like this one, and that tells you that they're ready. plate like this one here. I got a plate with a paper towel to absorb the grease. And I'm just gonna put them on here. Ivan, can you take a picture here? Take a picture of the Okay, so we're going for a second batch. So let's see how these come out. I mean, the oil is like really hot now. It might be better. We'll see. We'll play by ear. Okay, so here they are. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. My son Ivan tried them. He says that they're absolutely delicious, and we're all gonna try them now. Don't forget to subscribe, and may God bless you all. Goodbye.